This will be setup of the Eufy Smart Safe. First things first, you're going to want to make sure you have the Eufy app pre-installed and have your account set up. You come to the plus sign in the upper right hand corner, then scroll down to the Eufy Smart Safe. From there, you will select what home you wish to add it to, and then select next. You're going to want to make sure that you're on 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, and then you're going to attempt to connect to Wi-Fi. Now, what I did was I pressed a sync button inside there. After you select your connect to Wi-Fi, it's going to ask for permissions to access your camera to scan a code on the bottom of the Eufy Safe in order to add it, after which we will have to press the sync button inside here, which will hear a beep, which you heard me do prematurely, and we have this flashing blue light. We're going to select next. We have to enable Bluetooth. All right, so you'll have to enable discover nearby devices in order for that to work if you're on Android. And we have enabled it. We have hit the sync button, and now it's going to sync up. Directions could use a little work. Now it wants to know what connection to go to for Wi-Fi, and this is going to be only a 2.4 gigahertz connection, so keep that in mind. You will not be using this with 5 gigahertz. So select your network, put in your password, and then that information will be passed to the Smart Safe. Now we get to name it, and once we have selected our name, we select next, and we have to put in a 4 to 6 digit PIN. Once we do that, it brings us to the fingerprint, so we're going to do enrollment. Name your fingerprint. So I'm going to say that I'm the owner of this fingerprint, and then we scan ourselves 8 different times. After you get that situated, you have power management mode. So you have high performance and then power saver. So this one will keep it constantly connected to Wi-Fi. This one will put it into power saver mode. So I'm going to leave it constantly connected to Wi-Fi for now. There is an update to the firmware, so we will select update, and it can take up to 5 minutes for this to work. Once the firmware is done, you get this message. I did not get to record it, but the lights across the keypad did light up as it was finishing and has been successfully added. We're going to select done, and here we go. It's at the top. It's currently letting me know that it is unlocked. So that was setup of the Eufy Smart Safe.